Okay, so I recently got this Gugug uh, facial scrubber. Some places call it a face shovel, others just call it a ultrasonic face scrubber. So that's the top of the package. That's the bottom of the package. Give me 1 second and I will get it out. All right. So you have your user's manual, which is a very thin pamphlet. Should be fairly simple to use. And then I guess this is just kind of, oh, okay, that's cute. It's a little card from the company. And it tells you some tips that you have and such that they advise. Two little cleaning scrub thingies, and they're different on each side. Oh, actually, I take that back. Okay. So they're the same scrubbies, they're just different colors. So that is convenient, you know, in case you end up using it a lot. It is recommended to only use this roughly 2 to 3 times a week, or is it between 1 and 3 times a week, depending on how sensitive you might be. So this was on here pretty good, and I popped it off. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that's what it comes looking like. There's that, and it's fairly thin. It's ergonomically friendly. Like it feels like it's, you know, comfortable to hold. Then you've got your what? Oh, apparently it's touch. Oh, you don't even press it. Okay, so you just touch it. It's like touch activated. That's cool. Apparently this is waterproof as well, thus why there's a little plug here to keep the water from getting in there. But that's where you charge it at, and it looks like it's a micro USB charging port. So then you take the top off. I will say that cap that goes on here really is kind of tough to get off. So the first time, don't panic or anything like that if you end up having to pop it really hard, like where you like literally have to use some strength to pull it off. So I'm guessing I can tell that it's got kind of like a pearlescent finish on it and such. So it's kind of like a mother of pearl type of a exterior. And then you have your blade that's pointed downward. You have your film that's over the blade for protection, so that's how you know that it's new. Let's see here, and then you have lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing. So I'm guessing that cleansing mode ends up being the more aggressive one. The moisturizing is a little bit less, and I believe the lifting is the one where it does like the EM pulsing and stuff to help with fine lines and lifting of the muscles. And it also apparently helps to build collagen up as well. So. Now, I'm guessing that because of it not being fully charged or anything like that is why it didn't have the super, like, vibration on it and everything for scrubbing. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it up, and then I will do a video of using the product. But this is what it comes like, and this is the unboxing of it. So other than that, have yourself a great day, everybody. Goodbye.